So we're going to soak this non-stock Selvedge denim. Actually, I asked some friends who are very good in fading their denims. I have some friends from Instagram, and I asked some questions from them on what to do on their denim before they are going to have them fade. After asking so many questions from my friends from Instagram about how they go about on fading their denims, and they told me that the first step is to soak your pair of denims in a warm water for about 1 hour and just leave it there, and after 1 hour you have to air dry the denims, and that's the first step. So, but before that, we're going to bring out the inner part of the denim and bring out the what is out inside. So actually you're turning out, bringing out what is inside, and then that's how you prepare your denim for soaking. So there we have it. Since we have I don't have any bathtub or whatsoever, I'm going to use this batya or basin, small basin, and we're going to fold the pair of denims so that it will be well soaked here. So we have here a hot water. We will pour the hot water on the basin. I think it's too hot. We'll get some more cold water to mix with this hot water because it was boiling when I turned off the stove. We'll get some water first. I got some more cold water and mix it with the hot water, making sure that the water is not too hot. Okay, we'll put everything. I think this is enough. Then we place the denim on the hot water. The reason why you have to soak the denim in warm water is that you are removing the starch and the dirt from the fabric, because this is unsanforized. This is a raw denim. As instructed by this particular brand, this denim is unsanforized, so it will shrink. That's the reason why I got one size bigger than my regular size, which is 30. So I got size 32. Hopefully this pair of denims will shrink. So just leave it there, and I'm going to look for some weight so that this denim is totally submerged. And we'll wait for 1 hour for these denims to be submerged in warm water. I used 2 bottles of Coke as a weight. Very effective. Okay, we'll wait for 1 hour.